Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing wonderful. And today I went to Trader Joe's with my mom. If you guys been on my channel for a minute, you know my mom is my shopping partner in crime. And so we went to Trader Joe's and we also went to Hobby Lobby. So instead of doing it separately, I'll just go ahead and add Hobby Lobby at the end of what after I picked up what I picked up from Trader Joe's today. So I have not been to Trader Joe's since this whole pandemic thing. So that's been what, February. I was afraid when we go it would be lines. It was lines, but I guess all that built up you know, not knowing what's going to happen when you go to the store kind of has went away. So people are more out and about, and I kind of, you know, knew if I went to Trader Joe's that I would just be standing in line. So the line did not take that long. We may waited maybe 10 minutes maybe, but it was like looped around, and Josiah also went with us. So I spent $158 I believe. I was calculating, but I must have missed some stuff because I was at 130, but I gave myself some cushion. But anyway, let me share with you what I picked up today. And trying to think, I wanted to haul what mama picked up, but you know how Trader Joe's packs things so nicely in the bags, so you just don't want to take it out. But anyway, most of these items are our favorites. And anyway, let me show you. Yeah, I'll get in 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I like these potato pancakes. I think I convinced mama to get some today. And you only get 8 of these in here. And I like to put just a little bit of garlic powder or either the garlic salt. Just a little bit, y'all, on that. But they're good even if you don't have Trader Joe's garlic salt. They're good by themselves. Okay, y'all, so I got some brown rice today. We like this. You get 3 packs in here, and I want to say it was $3.99. We also got our favorite today, the orange chicken. I only picked up 3 of these. They're $4.99. I love this coconut shrimp. I love to put it in the air fryer. It's $4.99 for that. Don't let me start saying the prices because then I might forget, but I may remember today because I was calculating everything. The chicken chow mein, I really like this, and it is $3.99. $3.99. The Kung Pao chicken is really good. We have this with some yum yum sauce and some rice. It's good by itself too. And I picked up 2 of these, and this was $4.99. How about you? Steady good? And some chicken fried rice. I picked up 1 of these, and it was, the chicken's a little bit more. It's $2.99, and 2 other vegetable. I probably should have got more of these or 1 more of that one. And this is $2.49. Got some Brussels sprouts, the shredded kind. Mama also picked up some of these, and this was $2.99. Okay, I got some of these Trader Joe's Ridge cut potato chips, salt and pepper. These I think are $2.99. So this was the very last bag. I had to ask for help to get it from the back, and I was happy because I haven't had these in a minute now. The organic Caesar salad, you don't get much in here at all, y'all, but I wanted a Caesar salad. It was like $4.29 or something like that. And some baby spinach, it was $1.99. I also got 2 of the Synergy kombucha, and I got the Trilogy and the strawberry lemonade, and these are $2.99. The grapes were a little high. They were $5.49, but they look like some really good juicy grapes. I got some fresh cut pineapple chunks, and these were $3.99. Some sliced brioche bread. This was $3.99. This is really good with French toast. I love this bread. This time I normally pick up 2 of these, but I only picked up 1 oatmeal exfoliant bar, $2.99. The banana bread mix, I think this was $2.69, and I just wanted some banana bread. Some tartar sauce, I make my own, but I love Trader Joe's, and this is $2.29 I believe, and this was $5.49. These are the dryer balls, the wool dryer balls that they have, and mama picked up some too. So they're supposed to keep make your clothes fluffy. So Josiah was persistent on getting these. I think he wanted to throw them around, but he's not gonna throw my balls around. These are for the dryer. I love their bacon cheddar ranch dip. Mama said it's salty to her, but I love it. It probably is going to be salty to me too because I haven't had it in a while. And I think these are $2.99. For the spices, I got the vegan chicken less seasoning. And y'all can't remember all the prices because some of them was $1.99, $2.99. That was mainly the prices of most of them. The everything but the Olate seasoning. And it has those spices in them. I haven't tried that one before, or this one. And then I haven't tried this one too, the South African Smoked Seasoning Blend. I want to say this was $2.49. So I haven't tried that before. I love the garlic salt. And then the garlic powder. This is the first time I've seen the garlic powder. So I think that was $1.99. The Mushroom and Company Multi-Purpose. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But this was $2.99. I haven't used this before, but I think I will try this on our Salisbury steak we'll have on Sunday. The coconut oil, I haven't tried this before, but I needed some for the prepper pantry. And then the Herbs Day Providence. I have not tried this before. I'm going to research this on YouTube or Google or whatever. Sorry, y'all, my camera don't want to focus. And this was $4.99. And it has those seasonings in it if it focuses. There it is. What are you sneaking from trying to get? Okay, so I was looking for his candy at Hobby Lobby, but I think he left it in Grandma's car. So they had some mums, you guys know they have some really pretty flowers. I'm trying to see if this is telling the real detail. Let's see. Okay, I had to turn down my lighting so it can look a little bit richer on camera. Still a little bit light. But these were $4.99, I believe, y'all. Or $5.99. And then these little cute ones, I wish I had a windowsill to put mine in. These are $3.99, I believe. The pumpkins were $1.99, and if they're different, I will make sure I will caption it. And then these little ones were 69 cents. So all this stuff was like at Sire's reach. So he was like looking, well, he saw these first, but I was like, Sire, you want a little pumpkin? Then I got some chicken. This is the first time I got any of their all natural chicken at Trader Joe's. So this pack was $4.87. This one was 77 cents, the chicken wings. And then I got the ground turkey. It was $2.99 for a pound. And that's it from Trader Joe's. Okay, lastly, guys, I didn't pick up a lot from Hobby Lobby. It was a lot of things picked over. A lot of people in there shopping just like at Trader Joe's. And this was, been to that one, but it was really, really picked over. And yeah, it was a lot of people in there. So I really have not been in the mood to decorate for fall or for the holidays. But going out today and getting the mums, seeing the pumpkin things out, seeing other people kind of excited about the season change. And I think just what's going on, I just have not been excited. I know you guys who normally watch my channel know that I decorate for the holidays. I haven't even pulled my stuff out, y'all. I bought like a couple of 3 things from Target, and that's it. Maybe 4 things from Target. But maybe this will help. But I just have not been enthused about the seasons changing, I think, because of just what's all going on. Which is unlike me, because as a stay-at-home mom, sometimes a working mom, but still as a stay-at-home mom, I'm still a working mom. I started decorating to get out the mundane, everyday, same thing every day for my kids and for myself and for my family. So I would do those things so it wouldn't feel like the same thing over and over. But it's weird, this year it's just totally different. I want to get out the same thing, but I don't feel like it. So anyway, I haven't even watched anybody's home tours or hauls or been following what's been coming out at Target or anything. Anyway, y'all, so I did pick up some frames, and I felt like an adult today because I would always get the frames, which they are some good frames from Dollar Tree or whatever, but I would never, unless I had a really special picture to put up, I wouldn't get any to go with my decor, corresponding decor. You guys know what I'm saying. I would say I need to get frames and never get frames. I would get decor instead. So I got this one today, 5x7. And they, of course, their frames at Hobby Lobby are always on sale. So they were 50% off of that $15.99. I think Mama got the same one, but she got the 4x6. I couldn't reach the 4x6, but I needed the 5x7 because I needed some frames to like put Contreras graduation pictures, and Josiah had like some pictures that needed to be put up, and JJ, and I just needed some better frames. Why did it look like it's something? But maybe it's supposed to look like that, but it looks like it's something spilled on it. Okay, y'all, so this one was 50% off as well. Make sure I don't drop these. I just got it up here all any kind of way. These were not on sale. These were with the regular, like navy blue. It's like 1 or 2 hours of navy blue stuff. It was really picked over. I seen this stuff before, but I just couldn't quite remember what was there. So these were $6.99. These were not on sale. Mama picked up one too, but I went ahead and got it anyway. I think I got 40% off of one of those. The wrong, these were $4.99. I got so much planner stuff that I kind of, which is a good thing, I kind of pulled away from buying so much stuff for my planner stuff. So that's a good thing. But you can't beat $4.99 because these books are normally $20, which I never pay full price for those books. The Happy Thanksgiving, Mama picked up some of these too for her coffee bar. I wish it said Happy Fall, but Mama said she was going to put hers out anyway. And these were 40% off. So these were $4.99, $4.99, $5.99 for the big plates. I thought these were really nice for. And then they had the big napkins too, but I didn't get those. Then I got out of line. The line was so long and so slow. I got out of line and I saw this other lady. She had this in her cart, and I went back and grabbed it. So this was 40% off too of $15.99. And I was making sure this was long enough for my everyday eating table. If not, it'll be fine. But I thought this was super cute as a runner. And lastly, I want to say this is the first time I have gotten any flowers. So he tied it up right here, y'all. But I picked up 2 of these. And this is to go into my floor arrangement that I have. I need to dust it off. And these were, I think, $7.99 and 50% off. I want to say the flowers are always on sale. These were picked over too. But I think a lot of people must be decorating their house with navy, and then also decorating their house for navy maybe for the fall. So I got 2 of these. These were $6.99. They look like hydrangeas. Did they say? It don't say. But anyway, 2 of these. And then this one too. So that's it. That I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Again, it was picked over. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It was good to get out and do some retail therapy. Sometimes, y'all, I get so focused on one thing that I just can't come up for air. And I was so focused on like the prepping that I didn't get to enjoy other things. Just so focused on that and not realizing the seasons are changing. Hope, enjoy the moment. Get other things that you necessarily like instead of just, you know, non-perishables and all that other stuff. But anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, I wanted to ask you guys, if you have used these, let me know. And if you have used, gosh, what was it? Oh, this. If you use this, let me know. Or this. I'd love to know what you use it on and what were your thoughts on the dryer balls. Okay, bye, y'all.